everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's solve few more problems of permutations and combination chapter, and that is exercise 6.3 for class 11. Okay, so the seventh question today is find R if 5PR is equals to 2 into 6PR minus 1. So this is the question. First we will solve this 5PR. We will split the formula. Okay. What is what is the formula of permutation? That is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay. So we will calculate this 5PR and 2 into 6PR minus 1. First let us solve 5PR. See 5 factorial divided by 5 minus r factorial. Okay. Then let's solve this one. Next one. That is 6PR minus 1. So this one, see 6 factorial divided by 6 minus, what is the value of r here? R is r minus 1. Okay. Then we will write 6 factorial as it is. This 6 minus r, minus into minus is plus 1. Okay. 6 factorial divided by 6 plus 1. This 6 plus 1 is nothing but 7 minus r factorial. So 5pr, this is the value, and what the value of 6pr is 6 factorial divided by 7 minus r factorial. Okay. So remember these two values, we'll put and we will calculate. So what is the question here? 5pr is equals to 2 into 6pr minus 1. Just now we have solved the value of 5pr. So the value of 5pr is this one, and 2 into the value of 6pr minus 1 is this one. Okay. Now we will send this 7 minus r to the left hand side. Okay. See this one we will send here, and the 5 factorial will take at this side. Okay, we got it here. See here 7 minus r factorial. This 5 factorial is come here, and now we can do the next sum. See, we will split this 7 minus r factorial, 6 minus r, we will stop to 5 minus r, so that we can cancel in the denominator. So 5 minus r, 5 minus r factorial get cancelled. Okay. So now remaining is 7 minus r factorial and 6 minus r. 6 minus r. Okay. And that is equals to 2 into 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial. So here we will split again this one. Now we will solve the right hand side. No, 2 into, we will open it 6 into 5 factorial, so that we can cancel 5 and 5 get cancelled. So this is the remaining equation. 7 minus r into 6 minus r. 6 to is 12. Again let us multiply this equation. Okay, this one. That is, see 7 6 is 7 6 42. We wrote here. That is, next is 7 into r, that is 7r, we wrote here. The next one is minus 6r. So minus 6r, we got it. Okay. Then the last one is minus into minus is plus sign, and then my r into r is nothing but r square, that is equals to 12. So r square minus, so we are having minus 7r minus 6r. Add and put the same sign. Okay. Minus 13r plus 42. This one we will take it inside and we will subtract. That is equals to 0. R square minus 13r plus 42 minus 12 is 30. And that is equals to 0. Again, we will split this equation. Okay, what are the factors of 30? We will take it as 3 tens are 30. See, 3 into 10 is 3 into 10 is 30. So minus 3r minus 10 is nothing but minus 13r. Okay. Add and put the same sign. So we will take minus 3 minus 10. Okay. So r square is r into, this is the equation now. We will write it as r into r minus 3. This 10r will write it, will then he will write with, and the remaining is r minus 10 3s are is 30. Okay. Now the value of r will be r is equals to 3 and r is equals to 10. So in the given, see this is the given 5pr is equals to 6pr minus 1 where r is lesser than n. So we can't write 10. So r should be lesser than 10. So r will be what? R will be is equals to 3. Okay. I hope you are clear with this. Then next, how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation, using each letter exactly once? Okay, the number of letters in the equation, in the word equation is how much? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the value of n will be 8. What they are telling, we have to find can how many words can be formed using each letter exactly one time, only one time. Okay, if all the letters of the word used at a time, then what is the value of r will be 8. So the formula is this one. NPR is what? 8p8. Then 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 8 factorial. N minus r. N, the value of n is also 8 and r also 8. So it is 0. The value of again 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and when we multiply we get the answer as 40320. Okay, now let's move on to the ninth problem. How many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday, assuming that no letter is repeated? Okay, the first condition is, listen, four letters are used at a time. The second is all letters are used at a time and all the letters are used but first letter is an oval. The three conditions are given. We have to find out how many letters can be formed with no letter is repeated. First condition, four letters are used at a time. So total how many letters are there? Six. And the first condition is we need only four letters. R is 4 and n is, the value of n is 6 and r is 4. What is the formula of NPR? Yes, that is NPR is what? 6PR, 6 divided by 6 minus 4 factorial. We will split it and we will stop to 2 so that we will get cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Then 6 into 5 into 6 5s are 30, 34s are is 120, 120, no, 120 into 3 is 360. So let's see the second one. Second, all letters are used at a time. All letters are used, that is 8. N is 8. Sorry, N is 6. There are 6 letters in the word Monday, right? So N is 6 and R is also 6 because they are telling all that letters are used at a time. So 6p, 6 NPR is what? 6p, 6. We will write as 6 divided by 6 minus 6. So again we will split it 6 0 factorial. So the 0 factor is nothing but 1. Then 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So the answer will be 720. So last condition is all the letters are used but the first letter is an oval. Okay. Now in the letter in the word Monday we are having how many ovals? We are having two ovals. So how many letters are there? Six letters. In that we are having O and A are the ovals. Okay. Here the first letter is a oval. So we can write two letters are ovals. Okay, and the remaining any one, it either O can come or either A can come. So two letters are ovals. 2. The remaining letters will be 5, 4, 3 and 2. Now multiply 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 2 5s is 10, 10 4s are 40, 40 into 3 is 120, 120 into 2 is 240. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. See, in how many of the distinct permutations of the letters in the word Mississippi? So this is the word Mississippi. Do the four eyes not come together? Four eyes. So in this word we are having four eyes. One, two, three, and four. They are telling how many distinct permutations of the letters can be formed, and in that four eyes should not come together. So, in order to find out this one, total number of permutations of 4i not coming together, there is one formula, that is the total permutation minus total permutation of I coming together. Here, first we will calculate the total permutations of the word Mississippi. Okay, then we will find out the total permutations of I coming together. Then we will subtract both and we will get our answer. Okay. Now, first, how many letters are there here? There are four I's. Four I, four S, and two P, and one M. Okay. This is the total permutations we are solving. So, since the letters are repeating, so we will use this formula, that is, if the letters are repeating, we have to use this formula, that is n factorial divided by p1 factorial, p2 factorial and p3 factorial in order to find out the total permutation. So here the number of alphabets are 11. So the n is equals to 11 and there are 4i, 4s and 2p. So the p1 is what? 4. p2 is 4. Again p3 is also 2. Now we will solve this. So what is the value of n is 11. P1 is this 4, P2 is 4 and P3 is 2. And we will open up this 11 factorial. And 11 into 10 into 9 into 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We'll stop to 4 so that we can cancel. Okay, now again see, this 4 factorial, we will split it. And this 4 factorial, we can cancel it. Okay, 4 factorial, 4 factorial. Here again, 2 ones are, 2 fives are 10. Okay, 2 ones are, 2 fours are 8. And 3 ones are, 3 threes are 9. 4 ones are, so we can't cancel. Now 11 into 5 into 3 into 4 into 7 into 6 into 5 and thus divided by 4. And the answer will be 34,650. So this is the total permutations. Okay. This is how we need to calculate the total permutation. Now we will find out the total permutations of I coming together. Okay, now taking 4 i's as 1. So this is 4 i's. We are assuming this as only one letter. Okay. Now the remaining letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now again we are using the same formula n factorial divided by P1 factorial, P2 factorial. Here also some letters are repeating. The letter S is repeating here, no? P also repeating, S is also repeating. Only I we are taking, assuming the 4 I's as 1. Okay. So the number of letters are, how many? See, 2. This 4. 4S, 4 plus 2 is 6. 7, and this one is 8. So the value of n is what? 8. And P1 is 4. Okay, this one 4s is we are taking, and two P's are there. So the one more P2 is 2. Now again we will same formula. N is 8 divided by P1 is 4 and 2. Okay. After solving this, we get the answer as 840. Now, what is the formula? First, we have seen in order to find the total permutation, number of permutations of 4i not coming together, that is the total permutation, minus the total permutation of I coming together. This is the total permutation we have just solved before. And next is total permutations of I coming together is what just now we have seen now 840. When we subtract this, we get this answer. That is 33,810. Okay. I hope you are clear with this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel.